Big bonus. This is easy. Why the fuck did I have to say that? No! No! You fucking son of a bitch, Crash! I fucking hate you! Oh my god! Okay, 2, 1. Right. Please, Crash, please, for the love of fucking Christ and all that is fucking holy, make this goddamn jump. And then jump down? The guy didn't do it this way, but... Oh, maybe it might work if I did it right. Anything that could stop us is falling. And that shit. Yeah, that shit too. No, you son of a bitch. That was the worst jump. No! Are you fucking scrubbing my ankles? What the fuck was that, Crash? Oh no! I should surely be able to like use this to get to the, you know, like this should be good enough.